Hello everyone, today we are making how to make your player object move in your Unity project. In previous video we did how to make AI object follow you, and as I promised, today we are making how to move your player object around the map. So let's begin. Okay, first thing we need is a player object. Because this is beginner's tutorial, I will use basic capsule object and I just label it in my scene as player. And just to make it a little bit more beautiful, I will color it white. You can do blue, yellow, green, some texture, whatever you would like. I'm using basic white color for learning purposes. And now when we have player object ready, we will start by creating script attached to that player object, and I will label it player movement. When we created the player script, now we can open it in our Visual Studio and do some coding for our player movement. Okay, first we are making player movement script, and after that we will do some camera adjustments and camera movement. For the scripting part, I won't talk that much. I will write you all code, you will have it on screen. You can pause the video to copy it into your Visual Studio, and basically that would be all. Don't spend so much time explaining what code does. This is very simple one, and you don't need to really understand it to actually make it work. Just like I don't understand it. Now when we have our player movement script ready, now we will readjust camera to proper angle and attach a little script to it. So when you move mouse around, you actually move the camera and actually you point your character into that direction. So when you press W to walk, you go exactly where you aim with your mouse. Okay, the script for that is also done. Now we just need to go to project settings to swap the settings for Unity movement axis system from the new to old one, because these scripts are made to work with older system. For me, it's much easier one. So we just need to quickly swap the settings back, give Unity a couple of restarts, and it will work just fine. After restarting the Unity axis system for movement that we are using will work just fine, but I forgot to attach ground object to our player movement script and to actually add a component to our player object called character controller that are being needed for this script to work properly. And you just need to add those two and we are good to go. And yes, don't forget to attach camera object to player object, because camera won't follow your player object as you move. You do have option mouse sensitivity inside of camera script, so actually you can readjust how fast you will be able to move your camera around, just as other adjustments on player movement script, so you can readjust those to your purposes. And basically that's all for today. You just learned how to make simple player movement and camera movement for first person games. Thank you for watching, and I would really appreciate some like, share, maybe subscribe, and see you in next one. Bye bye.